So hello guys, how are you? Today I'm really excited after finding that Adobe Creative Cloud launch a new version of Adobe Photoshop. So let's explore a new version of Adobe Photoshop and let's explore the latest features in Adobe Photoshop. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited too. I don't know what are these features. I'm going to reveal every new feature in front of you. So let's explore. I updated my Adobe Photoshop version. It's a Adobe Photoshop 2023. You can check on my computer screen. I updated it. I'm going to launch it. Let's check
Welcome
it.
to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics.
So first of all, I'm gonna check what is new. So this is the recommendation given by Adobe. So we should definitely check what these features are. The first one is selection improvement.
Create high quality cutouts with the detailed edges more likely and easily with the new enhancement to selection tool. Definitely, we are gonna check every feature one by one. But before that, we should definitely learn about every feature so that we can know what are the new features in Adobe Photoshop 2023. And the next one is one click, delete and fill. Move an object or remove it from your scene entirely, all with a single click. Okay, that's great. Live Gaussian blur. 300 just your Gaussian. Oh my gosh. Real time create precise effect with ease. Oh, this feature gonna rock, baby. I think this one is really needed in Adobe Photoshop 2023. We should definitely check this one. The next one, but these two features, live Gaussian blur and live gradient blur. These two features are beta version, but no worries. Hope so it will work fine for us. Then the next is live gradient. Okay, easily draw, preview and modify beautiful gradient with an updated gradient tool. Get a preview of gradient improvement by clicking out the feet of Photoshop up. Okay, no worries. Then next one is new neural filters. Okay, restore old and damaged photos and create totally unique design elements just by typing in the vision with new neural filters. That's look exciting too. And the next one is share for views. Yeah, this feature is also in many apps such as an Adobe XD, but this is now this is going to be an Adobe Photoshop too. We should definitely try this one too. Then the next is invite to edits. These last two features will work if you have a Adobe Creative Cloud package. If you are using a pirated version, then I don't think so it will work on your system, on your PC. So let's do this. Let's explore this.
That's great. I think it would be a complicated for Photoshop to make a perfect selection of this one. So let's visit the any object selection tool. I'm gonna visit quick selection. I think object selection tool would also be fine. So let's click on object selection tool and there is a Photoshop select and mask or quick result, detailed result. We want a detailed result. So these are the new features in past versions. You may find there is only one option to select object, but to select a subject, what there you will find a cloud detailed result or a device quick result. We want a cloud or a detailed result. So that's why I click on detailed results. I hope we will find a perfect or a precise selection. And yeah, there we go. Click. Let's select the cloud and detail result, then click on select and mask. It's going to be a mask. What? I didn't find anything. What the fuck is this, man? What is going on? Okay, so this is with the detailed result and let's check with the quick result. Okay, and this is our quick result. And quick result, you may find the selection of the hairs is not so precise. One more time, I wanna give a last chance to a detailed result, so I'll select my bad. So I'm gonna select cloud detailed result. That one is selected. Click select a subject. Let's try if it's working this time with the precise results. There you will find the notification progress. Oh no man, I seriously don't like it. Then the second feature is one click delete and fill. So let's try this one too. For that I'm gonna select any other image. Let's say search about nature.
Okay.
So let's try with our second image using the second feature of Adobe Photoshop, that is fill or delete. Let's make it a new file. Now I wanna remove this flyover from this image, but before that let's learn what is Adobe Creative Cloud website saying about this feature. So let's check it, and it's one click delete and fill.
Let's learn more about this. With this release of Adobe Photoshop 24, you can easily remove object from your image with the one-click delete and fill selection feature, and see Adobe Photoshop do its magic by seamlessly blending the background as if the object were never there. Okay, to do so, make your selection with the object selection tool, then hit Shift plus delete key to instantly remove your selection. Also, while working with other Photoshop tools such as lasso tool, you can right-click the mouse to section to remove your selection. You can easily remove object or people.
As per the Adobe Creative Cloud website, we have to first make a selection of this one, then we can simply press the Shift plus delete button, or we can right click on. I'm going to use lasso tool for now. Lasso tool would be fine for me right now. So let's make a rough selection of this flyover, and here it is. As per the Adobe Creative Cloud website, it can remove any selection or move any object even in a complex background. So let's try this. Right click on this one. Let's check where is the new function, delete and fill selection. There it is. Let's try this. Oh my gosh, this feature is going to be a rock, baby. Even though there are some details still pending, what it would be work fine. This is the feature that I like. Second feature is really amazing, and it's really working fine for me. You can check before and after. Now let's move to our third feature. Let's check if it's working as per the Photoshop instructions. Invite to edits. I'm so sorry if you have a pirated version, then you can't do this, but I don't think I have to explain this feature. What
as per your knowledge, I can read it on website. Even if you wish, I can show you a quick result in Adobe Photoshop. Now first let's read it. Use the update invite to invite feature to share the Photoshop cloud document with as many as collaborators you want and manage extract for now. By feature laws as synchronizes editing for each collaborator and edit share cloud documents at one time. The cloud document and Adobe Photoshop choosing share button, right to edit file, right to edit folders, comment, share document, so you can add collaborate.
In our third feature, you can click on this share button. If you have a Adobe Creative Cloud package with you, then you can invite your friends or invite your colleagues, so that you can work within a team. Let's click on this one. First you have to save the documents in a clouds, then you can invite the others. So this is the main functionality of this feature. I don't think I have to waste time on this one. Let's explore more features of Adobe Photoshop latest version 2023, and the next is share for view. As I said, this feature you can find in Adobe XD. What this feature is now can be seen in a Adobe Photoshop too. Let's learn about this version, but this is a beta app.
With this release, you can use the share view feature in version of both your local cloud documents and share document link with teammates and sniffles collect feedback. You can also control whether a link is publicly entered.
So okay guys, as per the Adobe instructions, it is same as Adobe XD feature. You can click on this share button, and then there you'll find a share for review, and there we go. After saving your document, you can create a link of this one, and you can share a link with your friends or with your colleagues, with anyone you wish. Even you can create a password, even you can add an email ID in this feature as per the Adobe XD. What I don't know about the Adobe Photoshop, I have to try this one too for you, but no worries. Let's create a link. It's getting too much time to create a link of that web image, and it would be really difficult for me. It's really annoying for me why it's taking too much time. I have a lot of new features to explore in Adobe Photoshop, and yeah, it created a link. Now we can copy this link and share with our friends or colleagues, with anyone, or you can even invite the people while adding their email ID, and there you'll find only invited people or anyone with this link. This is same as Adobe XD feature. There is nothing new in this feature. Now let's move our next feature, that is photo restoration neural filter. This is beta version 2, and
let's learn more about this feature. Need to restore old photos. Try the new photo restoration. Need to restore old photos. Yeah, I need that. Try the new Photoshop restoration neural filter. It's a beta version as it is mentioned. Powered by AI to fix your old photos family. Now restore prints in Adobe Photoshop. Okay. This is a neural filter, all filters. And download. We have to download this one for enhancement. Okay, additionally color wise. Okay. Now let's download any picture from Google. Check it.
I think I should try with this one. I should go with this one. Let's, this picture is looking really sweet. I think I should work on this one. Download this picture, and after downloading, okay, add this picture in Adobe Photoshop. Now we are going to restore this picture, and as per Photoshop new AI, it can be restored easily. So let's click on filter, neural filters. Then we have to download that feature. Okay, and there it is, photo restoration. It's a beta version. First we have to download it. Okay, our latest feature, that is photo restoration, is downloaded, and I'm gonna try on this picture first, then I'll try on next picture too. And it's processing on device. Let's check if it would be work. And there it is, photo enhancement, enhance face. Okay, first one.
I don't know if it's really restoring the picture to the original one or not. I completely can't understand about this, but okay, it's processing on device. Then I would love to see the previous one.
Now you can check the differences in that. Definitely it's working, guys. We have to say that it's working. This is the original one and this is the edited one. And let's try one more thing, that is colorize. Let's try this picture, if this would be a fine, if this would work fine for us, so that we can colorize this picture too. But right now restoration is really working. It takes some time because of AI. There is a lot of new features in Adobe Photoshop and a lot of old features which definitely they worked on it. They improved that features too. So there is no doubt the software is a little bit heavy, but it is working really super amazing. It is saving our time. We have to use so many tools to restore the picture. What this is working with just one click. I want to restore the colors too. This is a neural filter which you can find in Adobe Photoshop 2022 version 2. And with this feature, let's try if we can. What is this one? Yeah, look at this one. Amazing dear. Look at the original one and the edited one. With just two functions, two features, we can convert this old pictures into latest pictures. Now this picture I would like to try with one more picture. Okay, what about this one? I think we should try this one. Hope it would work fine on this on this picture, because there are more characters, so we have to definitely try on this one. Go to filter, then a neural filter which you can find on here, and then click on a photo restoration, apply this function, and it is working.
Processing device. there is no doubt software is really heavy. But it is great if you are getting so many functions in that.
Now let's colorize this one. I hope it will convert into, color maze. That is working fine, but not as per previous picture. What I think we need a quality maze for this one. This is our original maze and this is our edited maze, but this is fine. I really like this function too. So okay guys, these are the new features in Adobe Photoshop 2023 or of Adobe Photoshop version 24. So I hope you love these features, and I like two features. One of them is fill and delete, and the another one is photo restoration. These two features I really like in this Photoshop version 2023 because it saved my a lot of time. It would be beneficial for you, and other features such as sharing would be also beneficial for me, because sometimes you are working on your clients, you are working for your clients and you want to show your work. So every time you don't need to export, you don't need to took a screenshot of your work. You can directly share your original work in a web form, so it would be easy for your clients and for you too. So these three features I really like in Adobe Photoshop, even though it created a really heavy version of Adobe Photoshop, but that would be fine for me, because if we wanna some new features, if we wanna some new enhancements with AI, then definitely there is some flaws too which we have to face. So this is about the today's video, and I am really excited about our other softwares versions too. I'm gonna make a videos of every software by Adobe. So if you like this video, if you have excitements, then please share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel and show your excitements in a comment section, so that I can work with your questions. According to your questions, you can ask the questions. Suppose you want to learn something new in suppose you want to learn something new with a specific feature of Adobe Photoshop, I can also make a videos for you. So keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in next video. In next video we are gonna reveal some more features of any another Adobe Creative Cloud version. So till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.